Okay, game. The Wright family will go out on a picnic on Christmas Day. Mrs. Wright toss up a yummy salad. Mr. Wright made their favorite drinks. Brother Wright and Sister Wright made sandwiches for everyone. Baby Wright just fixed the picnic basket. Okay, Mr. Wright secretly packed some presents for family. Mrs. Wright did the same. Now, Brother Wright went up to his room and get his gift. Puro right, ah. Sister Wright also kept some surprises on her own. Even Baby Wright the Wright family rode on the right and the left and the right every house. For the right Mr. Wright drove the car. Mrs. Wright sat beside him. Brother Wright, Sister Wright, and Baby Wright sat in the back of the right. Then Mr. Wright turned left, and another left, and another left. Suddenly, Mr. Wright stepped on the brake. Oh no, I left the drink. And then he said, I left the salad. Said we left the sandwiches. Then Brother Wright and Sister Wright okay, malapit na. Baby Wright made sure that nothing was left. The right side was relieved. Mr. Wright and turned left and right and left and left and right and right and right and right and left. He had a Merry Christmas. Right. Go right.